Welcome to the next video in our instructional video series in which we are going to learn about managing a facility. In this instance, we're using Ehrenvale Golf Club, which is a golf club, and it has some information which is pertinent to golf. On the left-hand menu, you will see Edit Facility Profile, which comes under your Managed Facility, and that will open a new page. And it's very important that you fill out the information on this page, as it will be used in both the Golf Played as well as Spotlight Social mobile apps. The first thing you need to do is to upload a header image. In this instance, Ehrenvale have already loaded up an image, and you also need to load a logo for your institution or your facility. I'm going to show you how we load these. Although they're already loaded, I'm going to replace them. So if we go, you should already have downloaded the images that you would like to insert into this area. So I've downloaded an image of Ehrenvale. You can obviously just upload the original, or you could zoom in and upload any one piece of it, and that is how it will appear on your masthead. So you either upload the original or crop and upload. In this instance, let me crop and upload. And that will load it in the dimensions that were specified in the cropper. You'll see it will now have zoomed in. And then if you mouse over the logo, then you click on the camera again, and once again I have previously downloaded an example here. A little tip here is choose a logo that you've zoomed out on, because it gets very difficult in the circular image size to actually get your logo to fit. So if you've zoomed out, you can always then zoom in. I'm just going to use a golf ball just so that that one can see how you would load a logo up. So let's zoom right in, crop and upload that, and you will now see that it will load it into the logo area, and that logo would appear wherever your facility emails, or if somebody searches for your facility on one of the apps, then they would see that logo as well as the masthead pic. Okay, you'd enter your course name, and then quite important to put a course description, because when people are searching, you'd want them to have an idea of your course in a golf club instance. But if you were a coffee shop or a homeowners association, you can. It's an optional field, but it is worth entering some information. You will enter your course address and just some basic information, the country, where it is, etc., for search purposes. Then, because it's a golf course, you'd enter just a little bit about it, how many holes, driving range, who the course designer was, and then you would be able to geolocate your facility. This is only available on the premium packages. The free version doesn't have this, and it's quite important then that you do geolocate it, because it'll mean users on the apps will be able to find you. They'll be able to do search nearby, and it's quite an important facility. So I would suggest this works on the Google Search API. You just enter Ehrenvale, it'll go and search Google's database, and if you have a look here, we'll zoom out, you'll see that actually is that's Ehrenvale somewhere else. So let's put Ehrenvale, South Africa. So we found the right Ehrenvale, and it will, there we go. So now it's put us down. If we zoom in, you'll see it's put us at the front, at the entrance gate to Ehrenvale. You could clearly move that little marker. Let's say we wanted it up at the clubhouse. We could move it to where the clubhouse is. You just need to be able to scroll there, and the clubhouse is over there. So you could place it there, and it would automatically fill in your latitude and longitude, and then you'd put in information about your course manager. If it has a pro shop, you'd enter the course shop, and then you would save your course details. But that's basically how you would enter the information under your manager facility.